Hi guys, welcome back to JTT Math Easier, Calculus 2. In this section, we'll be talking about discs and washers. I find, well, at least when I did this section, a little bit complicated. It took me a while to understand it, especially since a lot of it consists of like graphing, drawing it out, and seeing the image further in the future, or like seeing it if you were to make the image your graphing with more values and everything like that. So I mean, it's a little bit difficult, but practice makes better. But this will just be an intro about what you should be expecting as I go on with it within the videos. So here I wrote down the formula. Basically, the disc and the washer are, I find, the most annoying things to remember, but they are very helpful. So just something you have to do to pass calculus 2. Okay, the disc formula is volume equals pi over a and b, which is just your points. It could be either x or y values of just the r of x plus, square. Basically, this is a lot easier to understand because it only consists of one compared to your washer where it's a little bit more difficult. It's not too difficult, but obviously you have another element added to the formula compared to your disc. So for the washer, we have volume equals pi of A over B. It could be any point that they give you. Sometimes they'll give you points, sometimes you have to find the point. Finding the points are not the difficult part. Finding what is your outer radius and your inner radius, I think, is a little bit more difficult. There are tricks that I have learned that have become very helpful, especially when it comes to exam times. But it does take time and practice unless you're a math wizard and you don't need help. But those are the basics of the formulas. They both consist of pi's. So what I always do, I like to put the pi on the side. I wrote it, forget about it until the end comes, and then you calculate it with your answer that you get. Or, you calculate when you're about to get the answer. But this is basically all you have to memorize for these two at least. Just remember washer consists of an outer and inner. The way I like to think about it, washer has two more letters compared to disc, so obviously you need another part to it, which is this, which is the inner radius. So remember, always subtraction. Hopefully this introduction helped you, and we should be going further in the next few videos. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.